Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of Minecraft. Today, we're answering the burning question, can you really make a car in Minecraft? Before we dive into car construction, let's take a moment to understand Minecraft's building mechanics that will aid in our car creation. Here are the materials you'll need to gather to get started on your Minecraft car. Iron blocks, wheels made from cobblestone, redstone, and more. Let's get to the fun part. Here's a step-by-step guide to constructing a basic car. Follow along closely. The best part? There are countless designs and styles you can choose from. Whether it's a slick sports car or a monster truck, the choice is yours. Want to take it a step further? By using redstone, you can create advanced functionalities like steering and acceleration in your Minecraft vehicles. There are amazing car mods available for Minecraft that can add even more excitement to your vehicle creations. Let's check out some of the most popular ones. Don't forget to add your personal touch. Here are some tips for customizing your car designs in Minecraft. As with any creative endeavor, there are common mistakes to watch out for while building. Let's review what to avoid. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating cars in Minecraft. Get out there and start exploring your vehicle building potential.